Hello, YouTube people. After 21 years, the ballast to my bathroom Circline lamp fixture broke. Sometimes it wouldn't light up on the first try, and when it did light up, it would flicker. So I decided to replace the ballast and the fluorescent light with cheaper, brighter, lower wattage, and longer lasting LED bulbs. The supplies used for this project are gloves, 2 LED bulbs, zip tie, socket splitter, light socket, wire strippers, tweezers, needle nose plier, and safety goggles. Before working on the fixture, the power to the light was turned off and the circuit breaker was turned off. About 3/4 of an inch of insulation was removed from the socket wires. The lamp cover is removed by unscrewing the 3 thumb screws on the edges. The Circline bulb is unplugged by pulling on the 4-pin connector. The Circline bulb is then carefully removed from the 3 retaining clips. The wire nut is removed from the black wire and the black wire is disconnected. The white wire is also disconnected. The nuts holding the ballast are removed. In order to prevent the screw from turning with the nut has to be pulled down at the same time that it is unscrewed. Only one of the nuts need to be completely removed. The zip tie was threaded through 2 holes of the fixture, and the tweezers were used to pull the zip tie through. The black wire of the socket and the black wire of the fixture were twisted together clockwise. Then the wire nut was screwed on. The same procedure was used to connect the white wires. The 2 LED bulbs were screwed in. The zip tie was placed around one neck of the splitter, and the 2 bulbs were centered before completely tightening the zip tie. The housing unit can be removed and additional holes may be drilled for the zip ties. The cover was replaced and the 3 thumb screws were tightened. Finally, the light is tested. Please return your used fluorescent bulbs to your hardware store or to a hazardous waste disposal site. Thank you for watching.